Accurate blood sugar monitoring is essential for effective diabetes management, and a blood glucose meter makes it quick, simple, and reliable. With advanced sensors, fast readings, and user-friendly designs, these devices help you stay in control of your health anytime, anywhere. Here are the best 5 blood glucose meters that combine precision, convenience, and smart technology for everyday use. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Wcore Safe AQ Blood Glucose Meter. When it comes to keeping an eye on your blood sugar levels, the Wcore Safe AQ Blood Glucose Meter brings an impressive mix of simplicity, precision, and comfort. It's designed for anyone who values both speed and accuracy in their daily testing routine. What immediately stands out is its FADGDH enzyme system, known for delivering highly accurate readings by minimizing interference from oxygen and other substances. Whether you're testing with fresh capillary whole blood or venous samples, this glucometer adapts seamlessly to both, giving you lab-quality precision right at your fingertips. Using it feels refreshingly effortless. There's no coding, no confusing buttons, and no complex setup. Just insert a strip, collect a tiny drop of blood, and in about 5 seconds, your result flashes onto the screen. That's lightning-fast feedback when you need it most. And speaking of that tiny blood drop, it only requires a minuscule 0.6 microliters of blood, making each test virtually painless. If you've ever dreaded finger pricks, this device will change the way you think about glucose monitoring. The automatic strip ejection adds another layer of convenience, ensuring a cleaner, more hygienic testing experience, especially for people who test multiple times a day. Its streamlined design keeps everything focused on what matters: reliability and ease of use. Despite its compact size, it stores up to 10 previous test results in memory, giving you just enough data to track short-term glucose trends. The battery life is also impressive, capable of powering through up to 1,000 tests using only 2 8A batteries. Although the batteries aren't included, replacements are easy to find and inexpensive, so you can stay powered up with minimal hassle. The Safe AQ system's calibration, based on venous plasma, provides accuracy you can trust, aligning with clinical standards used by healthcare professionals. With a wide test range from 1.1 to 33.3 nmol/L and a hematocrit tolerance of 30 to 60%, this device accommodates a broad spectrum of users. Its 24-month expiry period ensures the strips maintain consistent performance, even over long-term use. Pros: accuracy, speed, comfort, simplicity. Cons: limited memory, no batteries included. Number 4. Linksun G-425-2 Blood Glucose Meter. It's crafted for those who value both accuracy and simplicity, offering cutting-edge detection technology that ensures consistent and dependable results every time. Built with advanced production standards, this meter achieves a remarkable accuracy of up to plus 12% of precision that fully meets the ISO 15197-2013 standard. What's even more reassuring is that the brand boasts an impressive record of over 2 decades without a single market recall, reflecting deep trust and quality in every test. Using this device feels intuitive from the start. The no-coding feature eliminates one of the most common testing hassles, allowing you to simply insert a strip and start testing immediately. For beginners, or those transitioning from another system, the included quick guide makes setup smooth and straightforward. Each step is clearly illustrated, and Linksun even offers video tutorials for anyone who prefers visual guidance. With a rapid 5-second test time, you won't be left waiting. Just a quick countdown, and your results appear instantly. The lancing device includes 5 adjustable depth levels, ensuring you can choose the most comfortable setting for your skin type, whether your fingers are calloused or delicate. The design also stands out for its thoughtful touches. The large backlit LCD screen glows with a soft blue hue, providing excellent visibility even in dim lighting, an essential feature for elderly users or anyone testing late at night. The digits are bold and crisp, making readings easy to interpret at a glance. Despite its large display, the device itself is compact and lightweight, small enough to slip into a pocket or carry bag. so you can test confidently wherever you are. With a measuring range from 1.1 to 33.3 mmol/L, the G-425-2 accommodates a wide variety of glucose levels. It only needs a tiny 0.7 microliters of blood per test, reducing discomfort while still ensuring precision. The memory capacity is especially impressive. It stores up to 448 results, allowing you to track your glucose trends over weeks or even months without worrying about data loss. Powered by 2 standard AAA batteries, it's easy to maintain, though batteries are not included in the package. Pros: accuracy, ease, visibility, portability. Cons: no batteries, slightly larger size. Number 3. Linksun G-425-3 Blood Glucose Meter. Designed for effortless everyday use, it combines cutting-edge testing technology with a comfortable, user-focused design that makes glucose monitoring fast, accurate, and stress-free. What makes it immediately stand out is its consistency. The G-425-3 offers accuracy within plus 12%, meeting the rigorous ISO 15197-2013 standard. With 2 decades of proven reliability and not a single recall, this model represents a perfect balance of advanced engineering and long-standing trust in performance. From the very first use, it's clear that ease of operation was at the heart of its design. There's no coding, no setup confusion. Simply insert a test strip, apply a small 0.7 microliter drop of blood, and in just 5 seconds, your glucose result appears clearly on the bright LCD screen. It's fast enough for those with busy routines and gentle enough for those who value comfort, especially thanks to the 5 adjustable lancing depths that make testing virtually painless. Whether your fingers are sensitive or tougher from years of testing, you can always find the ideal setting to minimize discomfort while still getting an accurate sample. The display deserves special mention. While maintaining a compact device size, the screen remains wide and easy to read, displaying results with clarity that even elderly users will appreciate. The numbers are bold, the background clean, and the overall readability is superb, ensuring you never need to strain your eyes to interpret your glucose level. Despite its larger display area, the G-425-3 is remarkably lightweight and slim, sliding easily into your bag or pocket for convenient travel and daily portability. It's a perfect companion whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. In terms of performance, the device operates flawlessly within a wide measuring range of 1.1 to 33.3 mmol/L, giving you dependable readings across varying glucose levels. Its generous 500 memory capacity allows for long-term data tracking, enabling you to monitor patterns over time and make better-informed decisions about your health. With power supplied by 2 AAA batteries, it's simple to maintain and ready for continuous daily use, although you'll need to provide the batteries yourself. Pros: precision, simplicity, readability, portability. Cons: no batteries, limited accessories. Number 2. Sannuo Safe AQ UG Blood Glucose Meter. This clever 2-in-1 device from Sinocare is built with precision, convenience, and practicality in mind, perfect for anyone dealing with diabetes, gout, or general metabolic concerns. What makes this meter stand out immediately is its ability to perform 2 critical tests using a single compact unit. It measures both glucose and uric acid with impressive accuracy, giving users a fuller picture of their health in real time. From the very first use, it's evident that the Safe AQ UG prioritizes speed and reliability. Its advanced calibration with venous plasma ensures clinical-grade accuracy comparable to professional laboratory standards. For glucose testing, it requires just a tiny 0.6 microliter sample, almost painless and ideal for frequent monitoring. For uric acid, it uses a slightly larger 3 microliter sample to maintain stability and precision in readings. Despite these differences, both tests are easy to perform, straightforward, and seamlessly integrated into one efficient workflow. The glucose test delivers results in just 5 seconds, while the uric acid measurement, which requires more complex biochemical detection, completes within 25 seconds, still incredibly fast for dual analysis. The overall design feels intuitive and user-friendly. It's powered by 2 standard AA batteries, making it accessible and simple to maintain. Though the batteries aren't included, replacements are easy to find, ensuring continuous use with minimal interruption. The memory function stores up to 100 test results, allowing users to conveniently review recent readings and observe short-term trends in their glucose and uric acid levels. What's especially impressive about the Safe AQ UG is how seamlessly it fits into daily life. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry wherever you go, ensuring that you can check your readings anytime you need. Whether you're at home, at work, or traveling, you'll appreciate its reliability and ease. Its dual functionality is a major advantage for gout patients or anyone needing to monitor both metabolic markers regularly, eliminating the need for separate devices or extra steps. Pros: dual function, accuracy, speed, convenience. Cons: limited memory. Number 1 and the winner is Sannuo Safe AQ blood glucose meter. Designed for daily use at home, it's part of Sinocare's trusted Safe series, which has earned recognition for reliability and user-friendly design. The AQ model continues that tradition, offering advanced testing performance and thoughtful convenience that supports consistent diabetes management without the stress. One of the standout features of this device is its intelligent no-coding system. By eliminating the need for manual calibration, it removes one of the most common barriers to easy testing, making every use quick and straightforward. With just a 0.6 microliter blood sample, it delivers accurate results within 10 seconds, which is ideal for those who value speed but refuse to compromise on precision. The test range of 20 to 600 mmHg DL covers all standard glucose monitoring needs, while its calibration based on venous plasma ensures laboratory-grade accuracy you can depend on day after day. Its design perfectly balances practicality and visibility. The large screen display presents your results in bold, clear numbers that are easy to read even in low light. And the built-in light warning feature adds another layer of support by signaling when readings fall outside the normal range. This thoughtful touch provides reassurance, especially for users who may not immediately recognize fluctuations. The AQ is built to make self-monitoring intuitive and supportive, not intimidating. Comfort is another area where this meter shines. The included pain-free lancing device is designed to minimize discomfort, requiring only a tiny drop of blood to produce a reliable reading. It's suitable for both new users and experienced testers who need a consistent and gentle solution for frequent monitoring. With a robust memory capacity of 200 results, the device can also display data averages over 7, 14, and 30 days, perfect for spotting trends, sharing results with healthcare professionals, or adjusting your routine based on real insight. Powered by 2 easily replaceable AA batteries, the Safe AQ is both portable and dependable. The battery life supports extended use, though you'll need to provide your own power supply, as the batteries aren't included. Designed for long-term reliability, the test strips also feature a 24-month expiry, ensuring consistent performance over time. Pros: accuracy, comfort, visibility, reliability. Cons: no batteries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.